Hey friends, Lucrecer Braxton here. I'm a gardener and I run the Instagram account Soul Sister Plants, where I talk about all the plants, and I do mean all the plants. I'm currently got about 80 in my home, because plants are a stress reliever in a stressful world. But taking care of plants does not have to be stressful. And during this pandemic, people have been acquiring a lot of plants. They see something pretty, they go buy that pretty plant, and it's dead 2 weeks later. So today I want to share with you 5 plants that are easy to take care of. They are low maintenance. They look great in any space. And regardless of the size of your home, you can have some beautiful plants. The Heartleaf Philodendron. Hands down one of my favorite plants. Such a robust plant. Never disappoints. New leaves popping out all over the place, and it trails. Looks so good in a hanging pot, and it looks great on a shelf where you can just allow it to vine. They like bright indirect light. Water them approximately every week and a half. It's an easy plant because people don't have to worry about whether or not they're gonna kill it. For a beginner, seasoned pro, person who just loves plants in general, is the Sansevieria snake plant. Look at this plant and tell me how you are not in love with it. And they require so little of my time and attention. I water my snake plants maybe every 3 weeks during the growing season, and during the winter, maybe once a month. Great gifting plant. This is a plant that you can actually set and forget, but don't totally forget the plant if you want to still keep it alive. I did not love this plant when I first got it. I just thought it was boring until I started discovering all the different varieties of the Syngonium. First off, it's a vining plant. As you see, it's trying to touch me right here. It lets you know when it needs to be watered because it will droop dramatically. Water it, come back the next day, the plant perks right back up. I love that it also can thrive in low light, lower light, not no light. Don't put it in your bathroom where there's no light and think this plant is gonna live. It's not. No plant will live in darkness, seriously. It's not a bat. Doesn't need to be watered all of the time. I like to let mine dry out and then give it a nice soak. Perfect plant for a beginner, or you just wanna add some green to a spot in your house that doesn't get a whole lot of light. How can you not love the ZZ plant? It is hands down one of my most favorite to have in my collection. The Raven ZZ is the one with the dark green, almost black leaves, and it comes up with these bright green shoots. It does not need a lot of attention. It can grow in low light. It can also thrive in bright light. Now, when I say bright light, that doesn't mean have the sunshine beaming directly on it and then killing your plant, but instead give it bright indirect light. Super easy to take care of, always looks good, and I love mine in black pots. It can be a very masculine plant. Well, in fact, all of my ZZ plants are masculine plants, but get yourself a ZZ. I love prayer plants, also known as a Maranta. Beautiful. Just listen. I can sit here and talk about this plant all day long. At night, it closes up. It's almost like the leaves come together as if it's praying, and I love that about it. And then I wake up in the morning and I'm presented with this. You don't drown it with water. Maybe every week and a half, I will check to see if it needs watering. And if it does, I'll give it a nice thorough soaking. It also likes bright indirect light. Be very careful about letting light hit the leaves of the plant, because light that hits the leaves will damage it. The leaves are very delicate, but it's a beautiful plant. It moves, and who doesn't like a plant that kind of dances with you? And here's some other tips I want you to think of when you are picking out plants. Make sure you pay attention to your lighting conditions. How much time do you want to spend taking care of the plants? And do you actually love it? There's nothing wrong with buying something that's large, but make sure you've got the space for that plant in your home. That has a lot to do with plants thriving. So again, I'm Lucrecer Braxton. I hope that you loved learning about some plants, and I can't wait to see what you're going to add to your collection.